I got the beneficial nematodes here that came from this company, Nature's Good Guys. Got them on Amazon, code order direct. I think I got way too much. This is 50 million nematodes, enough for a half acre up to an acre, or 3,000 square feet if you've got a heavy infestation. They've got nematodes that can work for just about any kind of infestation. This should work for my grubs that I've got out there. It came in this freeze pack here. It has to be refrigerated. It'll last in your refrigerator for up to 30 days. Supposed to apply in a cloudy environment like it is today to wet soil. You can put it directly in a hose and sprayer or in a watering can. So let's go try that. I'll mention too, Nature's Good Guys had this nice QR code that gives detailed instructions for how to do this. They have their own YouTube channel, and they have a nice YouTube video that explains how to do this. I'll put it in the description. This is the area where we dug up. We actually dug the same amount of grubs the following day, so that's how infected this bed is. Really, it's not impacting the growth too bad, but we had some starts that just weren't taken off, and we saw that the roots were being eaten. So we're gonna go ahead and treat it and see how it goes. Okay, so while we're pulling the mulch back, we couldn't resist to just dig up a few of these guys, and we're already finding a good amount just in a short amount of time. So it tells you how infected, I guess, this bed is. Oh, here's one right here. Look at that guy. Chicken food. So over at the other bed, we've got lots of good beneficial redworms that are naturally in here. That helps the soil, but we do have grubs in this bed as well. All right, we've got the watering can here, got the nematodes. It also comes with this shaker can if you wanted to do it that way. I'm just gonna pour an amount in here. It says that the concentration is really up to you, so it's not that scientific. This was 50 million nematodes. I don't think I need near that many, so we're gonna do just a little bit. Now we're just gonna water them in. While we're here, we figured we might as well just pull up this big onion. It's doing healthy. Look at that. Nice. Today's harvest. All right, so the nematodes are supposed to start working in 4 to 5 days, so we'll check back in then. They're supposed to turn brown right before they die, so we'll see what happens.